This is Promontory development. We are outside of Park City, Utah. 36 holes. One course is designed by Pete Dye. The other course is designed by Jack Nicholas. We've started our aerifying in our winter shutdown. The Pete Dye course is open for another week, and then we will sort of do the same stuff over there. Aerify everything, grind everything up, clean everything up. We move our equipment over to the dye and try to do that if we have time. We run the Toro 880s. We have 3 of them mounted to John Deere tractors. We have 2 VC60s, which is like a verticutting unit that's mounted to 2 other tractors. So once we aerify, the plugs dry up enough, we start running the VC60s, and they also will go down into the ground about 1 inch to 1.5 inches to actually start to help grind out some of the thatch that's in there. Once that's all ground up, we run big metal drags over it to help break some of it up, put some of the stuff down into the holes. And then we have 4 sweeping units that we come in behind and start to sweep up. We run a huge dump trailer that the sweepers will back into. They'll dump their hopper, go back out. Once that process is done, we basically come back in with like a grandma's doormat kind of drag, and then we'll come in and blow off stuff and get it so that it's cleaned up, ready for winter. We don't have any of the dust left laying around on top of the turf. 3/4 inch coring tine, so we're actually pulling a plug out. We also have a Wiedemann, which has solid tines, and we will go around and hit a lot of areas in the roughs with the Wiedemann and just get a hole broken down into the area about 6 inches deep. Top dressing, we do our greens with top dressing. It's the same sand that we use in construction to keep everything consistent. The tees and approaches are all top dressed with a different type of sand, the same type that they were built out of. The fairways, we really don't do much. It mainly relieves compaction from the summer with everybody running their carts over it, the equipment's going over it. The other thing it does too is it brings up soil to the top that kind of can get filtered back down through and help actually cut down on thatch. Keep it to where it's manageable. Our thatch here is probably 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and so the more aerifying you can do in the VC60, the more thatch you can take out.